back to my channel. How are you? I hope everything goes fine with your life. On today's video, we are going to review and test those Kiss magnetic eyeliner and lashes that I just recently get my hands on them. And by the end of this video, we will be able to tell if this is working or not. So, if you want to see how this product it performs, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I just bought this kit 2 days ago while I was browsing through my drugstore called Reusable. So they are stocking Kiss brand from almost 1 year, and this is happening exactly after 1 week since I purchased another magnetic lashes from another brand that I filmed a review and a wear test. I have not even yet edited that video, but if you are interested to see me fail, just let me know in your comments down below. But this is a bit different, so I have heard many people loving this kind of product, and since I have like 2 left hands when it's about applying false lashes, I thought this might be a more easy method for those of you who are more beginner, let's say like this, in false lash application. Before we are starting, I just want to remind you to subscribe if you are not already, and also give it a thumbs up to this video if you enjoy and you want to see more from me. Kiss magnetic eyeliner and lashes, line lash done. It claims to last up to 16 hours. Now it's 1 p.m. so I will not be able to wear it for 16 hours unless I will go to bed with those lashes, which I don't intend. It also claimed to be wind resistant, reusable and no smudge, and says here that it has 5 magnets that secure the hold. So there are more type of lashes that you can choose from their style. So I choose the Tent and Kiss. I'm not sure if this is exactly the style, but I remember they were having foaming. They were a bit more fluffy, so those look more natural. And also they say this is infused with biotin, which helps to condition your lashes. I suppose the eyeliner is infused with biotin. I was having a quick look on their website, so on their US website, and this kit retails for $16.99 US, and it has 4 out of 5 stars review from 8 reviewers, and only 1 reviewer was giving them 2 stars. The rest of them were giving like 4, 5 stars. So most of the people are saying that are working the lashes. I haven't seen any tutorial, and anyway they are saying this is a new product, so I'm not sure if I have seen this in action, or maybe there was another brand that was from drugstore that was doing this type of products. I know there are more expensive variants out there, but I didn't want to purchase and to not be able to do it. So this was on sale when I bought it. I paid around $12 in US dollars, so it was a bit discounted on my drugstore. So I said, what the heck, let's go and try it. Maybe this is something which I can wear and I can benefit from having more voluminous lashes. So I already applied my makeup. The only thing I haven't done is I haven't applied mascara, and I'm not sure if I should do it. But I will first I will apply the liner and then I will go with mascara. Also, one thing I have done, it was that I have curled a bit my upper lashes, but they are already pointing downward. So you have this plastic container. Ooh, we also have some instructions, and there are in several languages. Also, I have read on the actual packaging that the product is made in Korea. Make sure to shake the bottle before use. It's a brush. It's an actual brush. Line with Kiss magnetic eyeliner along the lash line and wait until formula is dry. This is highly pigmented. I'm not sure how thick the line should be. To remove, wet a cotton swab in a oil-based makeup remover. Gently wipe away the eyeliner. And also it doesn't say if you should apply one coat or two. For me it seems nice. I will use another liner to drag the wing because I don't know exactly what it will happen if I'll have too much of the line going outwards. Maybe the application of the lashes will be slightly difficult. While I was reading the instructions, I've seen they are recommending to pair this with your regular liner if you want to enhance the look of your line. So the wing, because it has to be a wing, will be done with my regular liner. Okay, maybe you see here on the corner, maybe I need a bit more because I don't know how long the lashes are, so I have quite small eyes. Now wish me luck. So those are the lashes. I don't know why I feel that one of the lashes is a bit bigger. I think the lashes are not similar. I think there are two, sorry, and I keep them upside down. I think there are two styles of lashes. So there is the tent and the kiss. Ooh, so that's a bit strange. Okay, the kiss one seems to be a bit smaller. Really easy to remove. This is not what I've seen on the other lashes that I was trying last week. I was struggling a lot. So this is how the lash look like. And now we need to figure out how to put it. And I think I just put them not upside down. Oh my god, so this is the outer part. Those are no joke. Oh my gosh, there are definitely two types of lashes. And of course I forgot to use mascara, but I will do it now. This is looking wonderful. So, oh my god, I have never had such long lashes in my life. And when you pull the right lash for your right eye, then the application, it took me like 10 seconds. Fantastic, really easy. I cannot believe that. Okay, here I have one magnet which is not, yeah, now it's perfect. The corner of this lash, the inner corner, it is not sticking perfectly, but this is because I am missing some liner, so I will rectify that. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the second eye and I will come back to apply the second lash. The liner is dried out now. Okay, so this is a bit shorter and probably it will be my favorite style. And now I think it's already popped. So, really easy to apply. I cannot believe that it took me like 5 seconds to apply the second lash. If I were not doing this application on camera, it would have probably taken me even less time than this, maybe half of the time, but I wanted to do it with you together. I love this style, so this is the style Tempt. Now, if I have some tips to tell you, what I've noticed is that when you apply in your inner corner, I'm usually applying a small liner than the, or slimmer liner. That's the one that I apply on the outer corner. So your liner that you apply with liner, it should be a bit thicker so the magnet from the lashes can adhere, because that's why when I apply my right lash, it was not sitting perfectly. It was not having enough magnet to grab to it. And also, if you are playing with the lashes, if you are pulling them, if you are placing them, then you lift and place and lift, the liner it's slightly removing, so you need to touch up the liner, otherwise you will not have the hold. Other than that, I would say that I give them 5 out of 5 stars, if you can believe me, because let's be honest, after the fail that I had last week with the other brand, I don't want to name it, but yeah, it was a completely disaster. I was not hoping that I would be able to wear any kind of lashes, and this surprised me in a good way. So, good product, really fantastic. Now I remember, I think I have seen some reviews from Ardell, and some people were saying that the liner is losing the power throughout the day. So I will wear this for how much? So now it's almost 2 p.m. I will come with updates and I will let you know how much it was holding the liner, if I have some problems, if the lashes were starting to be uncomfortable. So far I feel that I have something, it's normal, but I cannot say that doesn't let me blink or cannot move my eyes. So it's just something that I know that I have something there. But other than that, I think that I love them so much. I'm so excited, guys. You cannot believe me because you were not living in my skin, but I'm living with my skin, and I know that I cannot apply lashes. And just to show you how many lashes I have bought a cheap pair of lashes from Amazon or from AliExpress in the hope that I will start testing and playing with them. So as I receive them, they are looking even right now, so I haven't even touched them. Hi guys, it's quite late in the evening. It's over 9 p.m. So I have been wearing the Kiss magnetic eyeliner and lashes for over 8 hours. And what I can tell, I've shown you like 2 hours ago maybe a short clip where you could see that my right lash was not sitting properly and the liner was a bit worn. What's the problem with this lash is the fact that the lash is a bit bigger than the size of my eyes. So from this reason, the lash was not fitting properly, even though it was adhering on the actual magnet from the liner. Being the size not fitting properly on the shape of my eye, it made that lash move, and by moving was fading the liner, which made the lash to become loose. After I filmed that clip, I apply a new layer of liner on the corner of my lashes and I fix it back. Since then I haven't had any problem with that lash. But the left lash, the one that is in the style tempt, I haven't had any problem with this lash from the moment that applied. It's still on the same position. I haven't touched it, I haven't done anything to it, so it's sitting perfectly and I don't have that feeling that I have something on my lashes, how I have slightly on this eye. So guys, I'm really excited that I bought this kit, even though if you realized on the beginning of my review I was a bit like not happy that I don't have 2 lashes on the same size because I couldn't go out with one big lash and one small lash. And I'm telling you why I'm happy that I purchased this kit, because maybe the negative reviews were from the people that have purchased the wrong size of lash. So if your eyes are smaller, try to purchase the smaller size of lashes. I don't know, you know your eyes, you know what size it's fitting for your eyes. The only problem that I can see this kit is not working, those lashes are not working for you, if you are purchasing the wrong size of lash. And probably now we would have had a negative review if I would have purchased a bigger size of lashes. My final thoughts is that this kit is fantastic. I will give it a thumbs up and I will go purchase a new set of temp lashes. Also, I have noticed that even in this corner it's not fixing properly because you know those lashes have a form, and if it's not fitting on the shape of your eye, then it will not stay, it will not adhere. It's not the same thing like when you have regular false lashes that you can trim. Those cannot be trimmed, so just be aware. But the liner is fantastic. It's easy to apply. I love the fact that it has a brush. It's no-brainer, I can say. So we will see also in the end of this video how the liner it removes. They say to remove it with a oil-infused cleanser. Maybe I will try 2 different type of cleansers. Here I have my dual phase cleanser, which has also a oil infusion to it, and here I have my regular micellar water. I will use this on this eye and this on this eye, and after that we will see the final results. I have no bigger struggle than I have to remove any of my regular micellar water. It's so nice to have this lash down because this was a bit troublesome for me. And look, it comes off really fast. I can say that it's even faster than with my waterproof cleanser, which is quite strange. So look guys, there is no problem, no trouble whatsoever to get rid of this liquid magnetic liner. And guys, one more thing, after you use them you can put them back on their packaging and you can store them without any problem, and they will not lose their shape because here you have actual magnets that will secure the lashes. So don't throw out your packaging. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please let me know in your comments down below if you have tried those Kiss lashes and if they are working for you, and how many uses you can get out of this, because this is also important. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and other than that, subscribe if you are not already, follow me on my Instagram, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye bye!